Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I will teach you how to make your first ever HTML web. Well, first you can go to search for Notepad. Every computer has Notepad. Here, open your Notepad. When you open your Notepad, I want you to exactly write how this is. As you see, this for when you open it, it is empty. Then you just write exactly how this is. You see, this doc type and HTML. It is the language that we ask HTML to. It is a It is a language that we ask HTML. We ask our computer or our laptop to use. At this point, we want to use HTML, so it will be HTML. This is the head. The head means the top of the when you are writing an essay, of course, there are heads and body. This is the heads. For the heads, I want to use add-in. Just type h1 and h1. Just exactly like this. And at the middle add-in, this add-in, you can change it to whatever you want. For example, you want to change it to your name. Just press, for example, Zain. You can change it to Zain, you can use to add-in and so on. And same goes as this. In the middle, you can change to whatever you want. But for this time, I want to use Hello World since it is the most basic thing ever. You can see this is head, and this is body. It means this is the body of our web. To be honest, H1 and P, the difference is the font size. H1 is bigger font size, and P is H1 is headlines. I would say it's headlines. P is just print, so the font will be a bit smaller, and the font for our head, which is Zain, will be a lot larger. And then close your HTML with HTML again, but remember to put this. And then click File to save our file. Click Save As. For example, I want to save it in here. Okay. Just rename for whatever you want, but don't forget to put .html. For this, as you can see, at the bottom, which is text document, press it, choose all files, and then save. Search for our file just now. Here you can see this is Zain. You can see how it is. This is the headline, the H1 that we are using just now, and this is the Hello World. Okay guys, for part 2, we will try to use CSS. It is another language. It's another language other than HTML. It's one of the coding language. Well, it's not that hard, to be honest. All you need to do is follow exactly like this. As you can see here, the .html, of course, it is the language. For the head, I don't choose to use a head. I choose to straight up to the body. And all you need to do is just look at this. This is the new thing that you need to add after what I have told earlier. This is the style. Do exactly like this. And then for the color, you can choose whatever color you want. For example, instead of red, you can use blue. For the text line, you can use center or side, but at this time I would use center. It is exactly the same, except after the Hello World, this paragraph are styled with CSS. To be honest, this is not important. I just want to add this because I want to tell you that our paragraph are styled with CSS. Now we need to do is press File and save, because we have saved our file earlier. So, and then go back to Google and press here. As you can see, hello world, this paragraph are styled with CSS in the blue color. Well, another fun and simple thing you can do with CSS is go to body here, add a body type, and then write exactly like this. H1 style, it means headline style. Background color, tomato H1. This is because I want to use a background on this word, on this highlight. Background color, as I said, it can be anything. For example, this time I want to use red, and I want to use tomato because tomato is red. Just press file, save, go to Google. Remember our site just now. Press refresh. You can see the tomato red highlight, the tomato red headlines. Okay, now the last one. To make our website become a bit better, I will teach you JavaScript a bit. For JavaScript, okay, you need to write exactly like this. I choose, as you can see here, it is doc type as usual. I don't choose to use a head. The head, I just choose to change the title. The body, you can write exactly like this, ID time P, ID time P. But the JavaScript thing starts here at the script. This is the format for our JavaScript to make a time JavaScript. It means you can see what is the time now, and then you close your coding just like this. Okay, we save and we go to Google. And then just reload our page. As you can see, this is the result. Current time 8:59 and 8:59, 25 seconds, 26:27 AM. Okay, and next, for our JavaScript, besides we can use it to decide the time is now, we can also use it to decide the date. All you need to do is much simpler than this. All you need to do is just this. Open it with doc.html. Make it h2 times and h2. Just follow exactly like this. Don't forget the equal, the double comma, the dot, and so on. And then just click file, save, look at our website again, and refresh. Time now is, click me to display date and time. Sunday, April 28, 2024, 9191, 11 GMT. You can see the exact same time and also the time zone. This is the how to use the JavaScript.